of the crazy things. They think we're wild and crazy, but like he said, we just love doing what we're doing. You know, I started skateboarding on steel wheels and clay wheels at school, and I just like, when the rest of the world going to figure out that rolling down the street's funner than walking? And then that was before the ramps and all the pools, and once they invented the urethane wheels, it was all over. I grew up in the Dogtown era, where we jumped people's backyard fences for pools and all that. And I'm stoked to be here with you guys, man. I've seen a lot of skateboard history and a lot of motocross history right there. Travis Braun, one of the legends of action sports. Live right here. And we're not done yet. We got the top 5 finalists coming up, and right now we got the Groms. You guys ready, Jono? You got the Groms ready? A lot of these guys skated earlier. Right now, let's make some noise for the Groms right here. This is Reed right now on the ramp. Reed Watson, give it up for Reed Watson looking to blast out there. Come on, crowd, make some noise for Reed Watson. Give it up. Reed going for a 540 McTwist. Right now, look at Evan Doherty doing his thing. Yeah, look at Evan Doherty. Give it up for Evan. He's 9 years old, this little guy.